All right, today we're going to cluster two Proxmox servers together and then hopefully get, what are we getting? We are getting Ceph hopefully up and running to do distributed file system with these two machines. And then if this goes well, we'll scale it up with more machines. So I'm just waiting for this machine on the left to boot up. I'm currently logged into Dell's iDRAC 7. This is an older machine. It's a Dell R620. Squeezing a little more life out of these things. I have a number of 12th gen servers right now, but this is going to boot up, and as soon as it's up and running and I'm logged into Proxmox, we'll get both of them clustered together and we'll be on our way. Stay tuned. All right, so this is booted up now. So we've got the first machine on the left, second machine on the right, and we're going to cluster these things together. So what we're going to want to do is on this first one, I'm going to go up here to data center, and we're going to go to cluster, which is already selected, and we're going to go to create cluster. Cluster name, let's see, so what am I going to use this for? I'm going to use this for all sorts of things. How about that? I am going to do multiple links, but I'm going to see if I can just handle that later. Hopefully I'm not screwing myself by doing this. Task okay, blah blah blah. So I think that was it. I already created the cluster. Yep, here we are. So then we got join information. So what we're going to need this for is over on this machine over here. Also go to data center very quickly. Go to cluster, join cluster, because now we have a cluster created from the first machine. We're going to take the credentials from that first machine and put them into the second machine. So we're going to just hit copy information here, and we will paste it over here. And that root password, join rugged routes dev. Yep, let's do that. Now last time I did this, it was only on a 1 gig network, and actually right now it's only plugged into 1 gig ports. So I should probably prioritize moving that over to 10 gig and getting LACP up and running. But for now, creating a cluster between two machines, that's all it is. Pretty simple. We'll wait for this to finish. It says join request okay, finishing setup. Stopping the cluster service. Is that good or bad? I'm not sure. Well, on this first machine, we'll get rid of that. Oh yeah, both of them are showing up here. This is good. See if we refresh this, if it's happy. Seems to be happy. There's two machines in there. This thing seems to have possibly hung up. It says there's a connection error. That can't be good. All right, so it seemed to have hung up on the right side, and then I refreshed it, relogged in, and then it seemed like it was happy. Over here on the left side right now, it says a communication failure. This is the kind of thing that I was running into on the 1 gig network in the past. So I'm going to switch this thing up to put it on the 10 gig network and then do the failover and load balancing stuff. So I'm hoping this problem goes away and we'll have a solid cluster once that's taken care of. But we'll do that in another video. So for right now, I'm going to call it quits. You guys know how to cluster the two machines together. It's pretty quick and easy, and we'll see you on the next one.